For your help, I place all the product links in the description.
Stop scrolling for a second. If your bathroom still looks average, the sink might be the reason. I've reviewed and worked with many countertop sinks, and this luxury gold ceramic bathroom sink is one of those pieces that instantly changes how the whole space feels. From my hands-on experience, the first thing you notice is the oval shape and gold ceramic finish. It looks premium without feeling loud. I've seen it installed in both large bathrooms and small powder rooms, and in both cases, it became the visual focus of the countertop. This sink is made from high-quality ceramic, the same material commonly used in hotel and residential bathrooms because it's durable and hygienic. The 12L basin capacity is deeper than many standard sinks, which means less splashing during daily use. In real use, that makes a noticeable difference, especially when washing your face or hands. The countertop installation is simple and works with most vanities. The single-hole faucet mount gives you flexibility to choose almost any standard faucet. The non-porous ceramic surface cleans easily, and based on my experience, a quick wipe is usually enough to keep it looking clean. What really stands out is how the gold finish reflects light. In smaller bathrooms, this helps brighten the space without adding extra lighting. If you want a sink that looks premium, works well every day, and doesn't require extra maintenance, this luxury gold ceramic bathroom sink is a smart and practical upgrade.